Are you serious? Are you serious? Are they trying to bring back the Nephilims? What? Are they trying to create some kind of humanoid? What is scientists doing? What is humanity doing? What is the New World Order trying to do? Folks, I want to thank Nick of New York for this report, and we'll talk about it extensively tonight. Well, we got a lot to talk about from the scientific community and how it relates to Bible prophecy. It's amazing as man tries to overcome matter, or in this case, man tries to outdo God. Well, get this, Reno, Nevada, on a farm about 6 miles outside the gambling town of Reno, Jason Chamberlain looks over a flock of about 50 smelly sheep, many of them possessing partially human livers, hearts, brains, and other organs. You heard me right. Human DNA injected into the fetuses of the sheep. Are you serious? Are you serious? Now get this. The University of Nevada, Reno, researchers talks matter-of-factly about his plans to euthanize one of the pregnant sheep in a nearby lab. He can't wait, he said, to examine the effects of human cells he had injected into the fetus brain 2 months ago. It's mice on a large scale, he said. In other words, an experiment on a larger scale. Well, what about the ethical ramifications of taking human life, human embryos, and injecting them into a pregnant sheep? Are you serious with this? What? As strange as his work may sound, it falls firmly within the new ethnic guidelines. Are you serious? Everything seems to fall within the ethnic guidelines anymore. I mean, there is no ethics. There is no morality no more. There's no spiritual reality no more. The influential national academics issues this past week for stem cell research. In fact, academics reports endorses research that commingles human and animal tissue as vital to ensuring that experimental drugs and new tissue replacement therapies are safe for people. Doctors have transplanted pig valves into human hearts for years. That's a whole lot different than injecting human embryos or tissue into animals. This is a whole new world you're doing here. You're playing with genetics. You're playing with the DNA of humanity. You're messing with the seed. You're trying to implement some type of seed of Satan. You're trying to go back. You guys are, this is not what they're trying to do. They're trying to create humanoids, fallen angels again, Nephilims. The Bible says it was in the days of Noah. So shall it be in the coming of the Son of Man. And there was violence on the earth in those days. And there was eating and drinking and giving in marriage. And there was there was all kinds of evil. Men's hearts were on evil continually. Every imagination of their heart was on evil. And there were giants in the land, Nephilims, if you will, fallen angels who had impregnated women. And these children had been born that were giants that were carrying out violence on the planet. Folks, this is what, are we doing this? Are you serious? You know what, I'm going to talk about it today in my live broadcast, so please don't miss it from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern. That's 7, 10 p.m. Eastern today. The Coming Apocalypse. Sunday Night Live at my website tonight from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. That's www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. This is a very significant information that we are getting that is now being scientifically released. I want to thank Nick of New York for this report, but they're not ashamed of it no more. It's within ethnic guidelines. It's because they have no ethics, because they have no morals. It's because they don't have God.